Right now, there are people making money online using AI. And the crazy part is, most of them started with zero experience. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple AI side hustles you can start today. No complicated setup, no advanced skills. Let's get into it. The first one is AI content writing. Businesses and creators need content every single day. Captions, product descriptions, blog posts, even YouTube scripts. Instead of writing everything yourself, you can use AI to generate high-quality content in minutes. All you need to do is give a simple instruction, review the result, and deliver it to clients. It's one of the easiest ways to get started. The second side hustle is AI social media management. Many small businesses don't have time to post consistently online. You can use AI tools to create posts, captions, and even content ideas for them. Then schedule and manage everything. You're basically helping them stay active online, while AI does most of the heavy work. The third one is AI-powered freelance services. This includes things like resume writing, email copy, YouTube scripts, and basic marketing content. You pick one service, use AI to speed up the work, and deliver it professionally. Platforms where people are already paying for this exist everywhere. The opportunity is already there. Now here's the important part. None of these will make you rich overnight, but they all have one thing in common. They are simple, they are in demand, and they are possible to start today. The difference comes down to action. If you pick one, stay consistent, and keep improving, you can turn it into real income over time. If you want more simple and realistic ways to make money with AI, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.